Hi, this is Mark Vila from Coldesi, and today we're going to make a t-shirt for you, which we love to do here. You've seen us do a ton on digital printing, like with the digital heat effects printers behind me, but some of my favorite stuff to do is still using a cutting plotter like this CE 7000 Graphtec and using rolled vinyl material. This is a Specialty Materials metal flake. It's a blue and it's got a glittery finish to it. This type of stuff is still classic and great for your apparel shop. So if you're just doing digital printing, you've got to get a cutter. And if you're just getting started, oftentimes using rolled materials and a cutter is a great way to do it. And in a bit, I'll tell you a little bit more about this shirt. This is a Vapor Apparel basic tee, and it's one of my new favorite tees. So let's get started and make this shirt. Now our Graphtec CE 7000 is cutting our metal flake blue. This is from Specialty Materials. And we're cutting out a summertime sunglasses design. That's an Adobe Stock design. And we downloaded that from Adobe Stock, opened it up in our Graphtec Pro Studio software, made a couple really quick small changes, and hit cut. All right, our beach party design's all cut out, and it's time to do the weeding. What I love about this Specialty Materials metal flake is it's a pressure sensitive vinyl, so it doesn't have a lot of adhesive. It makes it really easy to weed, and you could do it all in one shot. Well, we're ready to make our t-shirt. We've got our transfer all set, and now we're here to talk about the tee. So let me tell you what we have here. This is a Vapor basic tee. We've got it in white, comes in a bunch of different colors though. And this is 100% polyester tee, but there's three things I really love about it. The way that it's built, it's really soft, so it feels like a cotton tee. However, because it's at 100% polyester, it is built with moisture wicking technology, so you get that stuff that a lot of people like in polyester tees. And it's also got antimicrobial technology built in, so it resists odors over time. This is a fantastic tee, and it'll work really great with our metal flake. So we've got our Hotronix Fusion IQ heat press with a drawer, so I'm going to go ahead and load the t-shirt up. Get our transfer down just a couple inches down from the collar and centered. And this does have a light tack to it, so it's going to stick down just a bit, but if you raise up a little bit because of the curl, we use a little bit of tape to hold it in place. Teflon sheet, and heat press it. Last step, we'll go ahead and press it for a couple seconds with Teflon sheet. Here's our finished, ready to wear Vapor tee with metal flake from Specialty Graphics.